really want to go out there. Right now, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. What? Look at how much snow is on top of the fence and on their roof. That's gotta be like an inch of snow. Oh my God. It's pretty, but I hate it. I hate snow so much. Ugh. Poor Kenai. Oh, the camera won't even focus. Oh, I'm shaking so much it won't even focus. Fuck this. This all happened within 2 hours. 2 hours and everything is covered in snow. And it's falling off the trees. Oh my God. There's already been a whole bunch of car crashes, so I can only guess what that's about. Oh my goodness, Sasha. You love the snow, don't you? I hate it, but you love it. You love it, don't you, Snoss? Message! What is that? Sassarelli. Sissy. Sissy. Come here. What are you doing over there? Key. What are you doing? Oh my God, it won't focus. Sissy, are you playing in the snow? Are you playing in the snow? Oh God, that's gotta be cold. Focus. Sassarelli. Sissy. Kenai, come on. Kenai. Kenai, come on. Come on, asshat, it's cold outside. Kenai! There you are, come on.